I'm going to be completely honest with you. The 5 minute time frame is a time frame to not trade if you are a beginner in trading. Okay, if you're someone who's been trading for say a few months or less than 6 months or less, do not attempt to trade the 5 minute time frame because it is extremely risky. So I've been trading for about 3 years now, and when I started trading, I mostly used to focus on the daily time frame, weekly time frame, 4 hour, sometimes 1 hour. Okay, these are the time frames that I was focusing on for the past 3 years of my trading journey. Okay, and when I was trading using these time frames, I was making some good money. I was actually way less stressed when I am placing a trade. I felt like way more relaxed. However, the disadvantage with trading this bigger time frames was that I had to wait a long time for the market to come to my entry point. I'll be just waiting for days, weeks, sometimes even a month just for the market to get to the area where I want to place my trade. And I didn't like that. For like over the past 3 years, I was just like getting tired of it. I'm like, yo, I want to be able to trade, in a week, maybe 3 to 4 times in a week. I want to be able to trade that many times. So what I decided to do is to go and explore different time frames. Okay, so I decided to go check out the 5 minute time frame just to see what the heck happens in there. Okay, so I tested it out for like a few months. I was trying to analyze the 5 minute time frame to see what kind of patterns tends to get created there, how does the price move and all that. Okay, and what did I found out? Okay, I found out that there's actually a lot of trading opportunities that is in the 5 minute time frame. Like you can literally, I was able to see like so many opportunities to go long, opportunities to go short and all that. And I was like, wow, are you kidding me? So you're telling me these are all trades that I've been missing out. Here I am, I've been sitting for like days or weeks waiting for the price to come to my entry point when I could have just gone to the 5 minute time frame and just placed a long by looking at this setup and all that. That's what I saw. I was like, wow, there's a lot of trading opportunities in the 5 minute time frame. And I started trying to like develop strategies on how I can figure out like best entries and all that. And the strategies that I came up with in the beginning, some of them worked. Okay, some of them worked, and I saw that I was making some pretty good money. I kept catching the big moves very quick. Now after some time, what I noticed is that I became very attached to my trades. The trades that I was placing on the 5 minute time frame, I became a lot more attached to them. I was literally like, as soon as I enter a trade, I just started staring at the chart literally the whole time. If it's not the whole time, maybe every 5 minutes or every 30 minutes, I'm just looking at the chart to make sure that the market is heading my direction or but yeah, that was the bad thing, constantly staring the market. What else happened? I became so like emotional, like with a trade. I felt like if I saw that as soon as the market started going against me, I started feeling horrible within me. I just started feeling sad and I was just like burning. I'm like, yo, this is bad. I hope the market is not going to drop. I just started feeling bad, thinking about bad things and all that. And then as soon as the market would like start heading my direction, then I'll go back to feeling good and happy and all that. So I noticed that yeah, the 5 minute time frame was controlling my emotion, which is really bad. And it was also making me to become very addicted to trading. I was staring at the chart literally the whole day, which is bad. Okay, What else did I notice about the 5 minute time frame? I noticed that there is a lot of manipulation that happens in the 5 minute time frame. Okay, you cannot use the general rules of trading, support and resistance, that the rules that says, oh, if a support get broken, then go ahead and place a short, or if a resistance gets broken, go ahead and place a long. When it comes to the 5 minute time frame, those rules, just throw them just throw them out, because those rules do not get respected in the 5 minute time frame. In the 5 minute time frame, the market will break a support. Okay, it will break that support, and then instead of it continuing to drop down, it will end up breaking back above that support and pump higher. Okay, that is the kind of manipulation you're going to notice in the 5 minute time frame. It's going to do the same thing with resistance. It will break a resistance, and you go ahead and thinking that, hey, I think the price is going to start going up, but instead it reverses and dumps way lower than you expected it to dump. So this is the kind of manipulations that happen in the 5 minute time frame. You're going to see a lot of false breakouts and all that, and that's going to make you just close your trade on and off. You're going to literally just, you open a trade, and then the price goes against you, you close it, and then you switch. Let's say you were in a long position, the price goes against you, then you close that trade in a loss, you open a short, and then the price goes against you in a short, you go back to open a long. You're just going to be switching back and forth like that, and then you're going to see that your account is just draining, and at the end you will feel depressed, and you're probably going to give up on trading. So I am telling you, if you're someone that's just getting started with trading, stay away from the 5 minute time frame, okay? Because it is extremely risky. It's gonna make you lose a lot of your money, okay? 5 minute time frame is best to trade it if you already have experience in trading, like if you already understand how the market moves in the bigger time frame. If you understand how the market moves, market structure, price action, and all that, if you understand different type of like patterns, chart patterns, and candlesticks patterns and all that, if you understand those things, that's when you can go ahead and attempt the 5 minute time frame. Like me, when I started trading, I did not jump and start trading with 5 minute time frame. No, I stayed away from it for like literally 3 years straight. I did not trade with the 5 minute time frame. I just started looking at it. But yeah, focus on trading using the weekly time frame, daily time frame, 4 hour, 1 hour. Yes, the trade might take some time for you to make money. It might take some time for you to make money from those trades, or for you to actually place trades, but I'm telling you, it's going to be way worth it. Okay, your risk of losing will be way less compared to the 5 minute time frame. Okay, so yeah, me, honestly, I decided to stop trading the 5 minute time frame for some time. Okay, I stayed away from it, and I decided to go back to my old strategies of using the bigger time frame and all that. But later on, I came back to reanalyze why I was losing so much in the 5 minute time frame, and I noticed something. I noticed that the support on the, say, hourly time frame, 4 hour or daily time frame, the support or resistance on these time frames, if the 5 minute time frame arrives to those support and resistance, you're going to see a strong bounce. Like there's going to be a strong bounce around those levels, and usually that's when the bigger moves in the 5 minute time frame begins. You're going to see the price, okay, on the 5 minute time frame. You'll notice that the price will create like massive bullish candles whenever it arrives on the support that's on the 1 hour time frame or 4 hour daily time frame. Okay, whenever the price arrives to this support, that's when you'll see that on the 5 minute time frame, the price will usually bounce off there very high. And then the same thing it will do when it arrives to the major resistance that's on the 1 hour, 4 hour time frame. You'll notice massive drop. Okay, so this is what I have noticed. The the 5-minute time frame, it is best to trade it in combination with the 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame. If you're trading it in combination of these other time frames, you actually stand at better chance. Okay, you stand a better chance of actually making more money than losing. Okay, so that's what I've noticed. And yeah, right now I'm currently, like, ever since I started combining the 5-minute time frame and the 1 hour time frame, together, I'm actually a lot more profitable now. I'm still like able to find trading opportunities every single day. Okay, unless the market is like going sideways, barely moving and all that, then yeah, I won't really trade. But if like there's like some moves, then I'm literally finding trading opportunities every single day. I'm combining my strategy that I've developed using 5-minute time frame, 1 hour, 4 hour. I'm combining those together. Okay, and these strategies, I don't really want to talk about them in this video, just because I am still like testing it out, although it has been profitable for me. Okay, it's been profitable for me for the past few months, but I don't want to share them yet, just because I want to be 100% certain that these strategies are going to work in the future. Okay, once I see that yes, these strategies is always going to work, then I'll come out here one day, share it with you guys. Okay, but just to give you a hint, the strategies involves trend line, okay, like uptrend line, and double top. Okay, those are the two strategies that I'm using. But there's a way that I am using these strategies to actually place my short and my long position. Okay, and I'm making some pretty good money with that. Okay, so yeah guys, stay away from the 5-minute time frame. If you're new to trading, stay away from it. It's not going to help you. Nope, you're going to lose all your money. Focus on trading the bigger time frame. Bigger time frames includes daily time frame, 4 hour, 1 hour, weekly. Yeah, weekly is like, it's way too big. Usually if you're trading based on the weekly time frame, you're going to be waiting a long time for the market to come your way. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I feel like now I'm just rambling, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. See you guys.